Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. For this video, I am just going to be filming a quick little eyeshadow tutorial. So I am starting off with priming my face. I'm using the NYX or NYX Marshmallow Root Primer. So I'm just going to be applying that to my face. I do realize I used a little bit more than needed, so it gave me a slight white cast to my face. So I would suggest using this sparingly. You don't want to put on too much because then you're going to have like a little bit of a white looking cast, similar to when you apply too much sunscreen. So that's the first thing I'm doing. So realizing I used too much of the primer, I'm trying my best to like really blend it out and smooth it down so it doesn't give me that white cast too much, but it's still kind of visible. So next we're going to be priming our lids using the Morphe Filter Effect primer. So this is in the shade Light to Cool. So I'm just applying that to my lids, and I'm going to use my fingers to blend this out.
Look so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love.
For this look, we will be using the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's. So I'm going to be using those two purple shades that we see in this palette, going in with that matte shade first in my crease and blending that out. Also, do want to apologize for the way I sound. I am definitely a little bit under the weather. I am pretty much mostly recovered at this point, but while filming this I was really sick and I couldn't speak, which is why I'm doing this voiceover style and it's giving you guys an update as to what I'm doing. But I do still sound sick and I'm sorry. Hopefully you guys are able to understand what I'm saying pretty well. But as you guys can see, I am going in with that first matte purple shade in my crease, and I really do like this color. It's very nice and bright. So I'm just packing it into my crease and then I'm going to blend it out so it looks a lot better and just like neater.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Fill my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus. Better keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus
I'm going in with the second purple color. So this is a darker color and has some shimmer to it. I'm packing this directly into my crease, a little bit lower than where I put the other shade. So I'm doing this to add more dimension to my eye and to the eye makeup. So we're having kind of like a little bit of an ombre effect here where the edges are lighter and the crease is a little bit darker. And we're going to see why I'm doing it this way, because later we're going to add in the glitter on my lid. Taking a flat eyeshadow brush or just any flat little brush, I am using my Morphe concealer to now cut the crease. So I'm cutting my crease for where I want to put the glitter on. So if you're doing this, you don't have to cut it all the way out to the very corner. As you're going to see, I do not cut my crease all the way out to the very corner of my eye. I leave some room. And the reason I did that is because I'm going to put on lashes, and I'm also going to do a wing liner, and I don't want to have my liner and the glitter like combining, so you want to leave room to do your liner still. I'm using the shade Light to Cool to cut my crease. If you have a more wider concealer, I would say go for that because it's just going to look a lot better. So somehow in the process of moving the video from my phone to my laptop, I realized I lost the footage of when I did my glitter. So I'm just going to explain to you guys how you would attach the glitter to your eyelids. So the way I do it, I use lash glue. So really any lash glue of your choosing would be fine. And then I just put that over where I cut my crease. So that lighter portion on my lid where I just cut the crease, I would then put lash glue onto that. Wait a couple seconds for it to get tacky, and then I use a brush and scoop up the glitter and use that to place the glitter onto the lash glue. It does get messy. I will 100% say that you're going to experience fallout from the glitter. So if you're not a huge glitter person or you don't like, your space getting messy, I'm just going to let you know this is a very messy process at times. You can try your best to be as neat and careful as you can and take up a little bit of glitter at a time, but you will probably still experience some fallout. And I am using more of a chunky glitter instead of a super fine glitter, so that also plays a role in the amount of fallout you will have. So here I am all done with my makeup. I am just using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to set my makeup. I really do apologize for not having the footage of me putting on the glitter and showing you guys how to do that like with a visual, but I will definitely make another video where I do glitter eyeshadow, and I will make sure that I have a video where I show you guys how to do it. It's not a very hard process, but I really hope you guys enjoy this look. Bye guys!